Hi guys, welcome to Car Diaries. Please subscribe us for more videos about the cars and reviews. So today we are going to do 2021 Kia Sportage Urban model. So stay with us to find out how the ride is feeling for the driver and what are the new features of the car. So it's the whole new level of the Kia Sportage with the luxury level of the technology, and yeah, it's having more features now. So yeah, let's see how it goes. Yeah, the dashboard material is really good, and there are some carbon fiber as well, piano black finish, and yeah, steering wheel, and I really like the instrumental cluster. It's all digital, and this one is the 12. The next model, the highest model, will replace this as a 12-inch touchscreen media infotainment system. Actually, it's not only a media player. Yeah, it's having more features. Yeah, really love the feeling of the interior, and good feeling of the seats, comfortable seats. It's the console box, and auto hold braking and drive mode selection is there, and the park assistant, and parking camera, and the hill assistant, and the gear lever, and 12-volt outlet, USB and USB-C chargers. Yeah, it's feeling like driving a normal economical car. You can change the driving modes. It's like really easy to drive. So yeah, that I must say, it's really easy to drive. Yeah, good feeling, but not a sporty feeling though.